Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 1.3 question number 5. What can the maximum number of digits be in the repeating block of digits in the decimal expansion of 1 by 17? Perform the division to check your answer. Let us find. Now it can be observed that it can be observed it can be observed that if we divide 1 by 17, then we'll get a digit repeating block like this. This 1 by 17 is equal to 1 by 17 is equal to 0.0.05888535235 294 294 294 117 117 647 647. These will be repeating digits of this 1 by 17. That means we are getting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 digits, right? That means there are 16 digits. There are 16 digits in the repeating block. 16 digits in the repeating block. 16 digits in the repeating block. 16 digits in the repeating block of the decimal expansion of the decimal expansion of 1 by 17. If we divide 1 by 17, we will get these digits, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.